I. Hello, all you beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. It's day 3 of Goa, and आज surprisingly मैं जल्दी उठ गई हूँ. It's a good thing क्योंकि मुझे actually जल्दी day start करना था because कल बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे late हो गया था and I didn't want to waste my day in sleeping. तो आज जल्दी उठ गई हूँ, so I thought कि चलो restaurant में ही जाते हैं to have some breakfast. So let's go with me. I have carried my green tea with me. I was like, I just want to sit outside, relax. I don't want to sit in the room anymore. आप कोई भी होटल किसी और तरीके से एंजॉय करो या ना करो बट उसका ब्रेकफास्ट आप हमेशा ही एंजॉय करोगे. फ्री फूड और किसी फ्री खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता. सो गाइज मैंने जब गोवा का डिसाइड किया था आई थॉट कि पहले सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए जाके देखती हूँ if I'm enjoying or not. If I don't, I'll head back after 2 days, but then I really want to stay for another day or two. सो मैंने सिर्फ 2 दिन की बुकिंग कराई हुई थी एंड आई हैव टू चेक आउट टुडे. 1 घंटे में मेरी बैग्स पैक्ड है, मैं रेडी हूँ बट आई डोंट हैव एनी वेयर टू गो. सो अब मुझे 1 घंटे में ये फिगर आउट करना है कि मुझे कहाँ पे स्टे करना है, कितने दिनों के लिए स्टे करना है एंड हाउ डू आई कम्यूट फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर. बिकॉज जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को पहले भी बताया था आई डो नॉट ट्रैवल लाइट, तो मैं बहुत बड़ा अपने साथ एक सूटकेस लेके आई हूँ. सो आई कैन नॉट जस्ट ईजिली फिट दैट इन ऑन माई एक्टिवा एंड गो. I have to figure out that as well. Yeah, so I have a lot to do in an hour and आप लोगों को मैं बहुत relaxed लग रही हूँ but trust me, deep inside I am panicking a lot. I have not figured out anything. It's like कुछ ज़्यादा ही मैंने live in the moment को seriously ले लिया and yeah, in the moment now and I don't know what to do. So guys, finally मैंने booking और सब करवा लिया. I actually booked up a hostel in Anjuna now. That's where I'm gonna go. And मैंने कैब कर ली from the hotel to reach over there. And I'll be leaving in 5, going to the hostel. It's very close to the Anjuna beach, especially Curly से वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा नज़दीक है, which I thought was a good idea since I want to explore all the shacks and places today. So guys, I have reached to my new hostel. और इट्स वेरी वेरी क्यूट, वेरी क्लोज टू द बीच एंड मैंने एक्चुअली इतना ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया था बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑनलाइन बुकिंग बट इट गिव्स अ वेरी होमली वाइब एंड दे हैव वेरी स्मॉल cute sit up places and tea areas and they've written very cute stuff on the wall and everything. I'm gonna obviously show you guys that, but I just wanted to tell you that I've reached. I am gonna just relax over here for a little while. This is such a cute sit out. They've given these cute cup saucers. There's a tea and coffee maker. You can just sit over here with your friends, chill, have a good time. And they have a similar one over here. Guys, जो cafe कल बज गए थे, I decided on covering them up today. So the first cafe that I've come is Burger Factory at Anjuna. It is one of the most popular food places, and if you are a huge burger fan, then this would be an ideal place for you to visit. So I went to Burger Factory. वहाँ पे actually बहुत ज़्यादा waiting था, so I decided मुझे wait नहीं करना है because I was starving. I just wanted a takeaway. So मैंने वो लिया, but even that took around 20-25 minutes. So here's my burger that's come. मैं अभी parking lot में हूँ, यहीं पे खड़े खड़े खाने वाली हूँ. And I hope the wait was worth it. I am gonna let you guys know how the burger was. So guys, the burger honestly बोलूँ was worth it. इतना delicious burger मैंने I don't think मुंबई में भी कहीं खाया है. So I absolutely loved the burger. मैं actually वहाँ पे ज़्यादा time spend नहीं कर पाई. But then now I think I'm gonna be going over there once again in the remaining days that I have. Also now I've come to another cafe. It's actually a shack called as Elephant Beach Shack. It's right on the beach and जो ambience and music है perfectly sets the mood for you. I ordered this drink called a Santorini and I am telling you this is the best thing to have. I mean, it is so refreshing. It makes you feel fresh. refreshed. Like if you feel tired, or even if you're just in a dull mood, this is absolutely gonna refresh your mood and it's gonna really relax you. It works like iced tea, but then you know the essence and the flavor that it has is much more refreshing. So guys, I saw a really beautiful sunset at the cafe. उसके बाद मैं बस अभी hostel आई and I'm just chilling over here with some people, made some friends. So बस उन्हीं के साथ बैठ के अभी chill कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. In case mood हुआ या you know in case मन किया then we might go to Curly's which is like right down the lane. So guys, actually हम लोग जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, I had reached my hostel. हम लोग वहाँ पे chill कर रहे थे and the host told us that there's a bazaar happening at the hilltop. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं at the Goa Collective Bazaar. यहाँ पे actually it's a little different than the usual flea markets that they have. यहाँ पे live music चल रहा है. They're gonna have food counters. They're gonna have a lot of clothes and stuff to shop. And actually इसका entry charge भी है. That's like around 100-120 rupees. So I just reached over here with some of my friends from the hostel. हम लोग सब साथ में यहाँ पे आए हैं. So now I'm gonna go and explore the market. So come along with me. So bought the ticket and now we are going to go in.
And that is attracting and keeping together all the particles of light and give unique shape. Let's say that. I'm experiencing beyond my perceptive capacity at this moment.
Felt the vibrations. I am still feeling it and I am feeling a sense of confidence. You know, going to these places and what it talks about are really signs. Basically, I am doing this YouTube thing for my love to creating content, and you know, all of these signs about self-love, self-esteem, confidence, this just makes me understand that I just need to believe on myself and keep doing what I love to do, that is creating content for you guys. I think the green purse that was there, वैसा ही मैंने खरीदा है from Colaba. This is just a new look and मैंने जो लिया है that's an antique one, but that was for 500. Here it's for 1,000, so definitely this market is expensive. really want to know what do they have, and I'm hungry as well. So let's see what options do they have for food here. I think this looks good. I might try this, not sure, but let's see. I might try. So guys, I actually explored. मैंने थोड़ा कुछ खाया, but I didn't try anything new. I just had like a couple of fries over here. मैंने यहाँ से actually कुछ shopping किया नहीं है because I thought that this place is more expensive than similar things that you get in Goa at other markets. I really like the vibe of this place. So if you're coming and if you see there's a Hilltop Bazaar that's happening, please do visit that.